Want to know how to close a group in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface here, now make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, on the top left side you should be seeing explore, and once you hover on it you should be seeing options like contributions, groups, bots, and much more. This simply the groups right here. So once you have selected groups, you can just simply scroll down and head towards my groups. That should be right beside create a group. So once you have done that, you should be seeing your group right here as an administrator. Just simply select it. Now you are under your group settings, so just simply select edit, and now scroll down all the way until you see close this group. Just simply select it. Now select close right here, and this group should be closed. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.